E-Creditable Credit for Business Review. Watch before using. Most people think building business credit is complicated, but you won't believe what happens next when the right tool helps you improve your company's financial reputation almost instantly. E-Creditable Credit for Business is a platform designed to help small and medium-sized businesses establish and monitor business credit scores. It focuses on reporting utility, telecom, and other non-traditional business payments to credit bureaus, which can help companies qualify for better financing and vendor terms. The surprising truth about E-Creditable is that many businesses already pay bills that could impact their credit, but those payments aren't automatically reported. E-Creditable bridges that gap, turning everyday expenses into opportunities to build credit history. Most people get this wrong. They assume business credit is only based on loans or credit cards. In reality, timely payments to utilities, phone companies, and suppliers can play a major role in establishing a solid business credit profile. Using E-Creditable is simple. You connect your business accounts, verify payments, and allow the platform to report on-time payment activity. Over time, this can improve your Dun & Bradstreet or Experian business credit scores, making it easier to secure loans, negotiate vendor terms, and expand operations. E-Creditable is best for small businesses and startups that want to build or improve credit without taking on unnecessary debt. The surprising truth is that even small, routine payments can strengthen your business financial standing if reported correctly. Subscribe for more honest finance and business tool reviews that help you grow your company securely.